Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to highlight and export Kindle notes. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to highlight and simply export your Kindle notes, then all you can do is simply go to your Kindle. So once you're in your Kindle, you need to simply get logged in into your account. Now Kindle notes and highlights can be exported by opening a book, tapping the top menu, selecting the notebook icon and choosing export notes to receive an HTML PDF file via email. Alternatively, notes can be accessed via Amazon Kindle, Notebook, the Kindle app, or by connecting a device to a PC to access the myclippings.txt file. So if you're going to follow these, then you can simply highlight and export your Kindle notes according to your choice. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.